So our final examination day have come this close. Now we have to wake up in the morning of 25th of May and report to the examination center by 7 a.m. and appear for the examination by 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. This duration will decide everything for you, and I can totally understand the pressure you will be going through, the anxiety, the self-doubts. I am not done with the syllabus, this is remaining, that is remaining. Bhaiya, how will I be able to give justice to the examination? Guys, calm down. No one on earth have ever completed their syllabus. Even the topper of IIT will be thinking, this is remaining, let us have a look at this portion till the last moment. But you have to now focus all the things. It's not been a one day journey. We have been in our class 11 from last 2 years, 3 years, and all these years we are studying the same subject, same chapter, same syllabus. We have put in so much of the effort. I know you will not admit that the efforts were enough. There were more need of improvement, but it is for everyone. All we have to do is to take maximum benefit of it by following the best approach, by following the best strategy of attempting this IIT 2025 paper. So you will be sitting on your desk of the examination from about 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and as soon as you reach the desk, please make yourself the calmest person on this entire planet. Follow on, practice the exercises that I have taught you in the yoga and meditation session. Focus on your breath, focus on making yourself calm, making yourself in the best possible presence of mindset to attempt each of the questions in the examination. We will focus on each of the correct, incorrect. We will focus each of the silly mistakes that we were doing in all the mock tests, all the practice sessions we had in the past, and all the learnings that you have done that time. You have to recall yourself about these mistakes, and when you are fully aware about your mistakes, then you will be more focused to the question and to not commit these mistakes. So approach should be, you have to first attempt the easiest and your most confident subject in the beginning, then the second most easiest for you, the third, then fourth. If you are a PCM background student and you have not studied biology, leave it to the last. If you are a PCB student, if you have not done the math section, leave it to the last. In the last, we will not have to do guesswork. All we have to do is to follow this approach. We have to follow easy, moderate, difficult. All sort of questions will be there in the examination. We have to start with easy and moderate questions. The first section that you will be doing, first you have to skim through the entire 15 questions and make sure you attempt all the easy and moderate questions in the first go. And similarly, do this exercise for all the 4 PCMB subjects. If you have done only PCM or PCB, do this exercise for all the 3 subjects. And then you will do a second round of practice. You have to not stuck to any question for 3 to 5 minutes in your first go. The time you will be having in the second round, you have to attempt all the difficult level of questions and do not make any guesswork. No tukka strategy we recommend you. Please do not buy the courses of these YouTubers selling you the tukka strategy. This will not work in your examination. All what will work is your presence of mind, 100% focus to each of the questions and recalling what you have already read. Many of you will be thinking you are getting blank, you are not able to recall the things that you were very good at it. This is completely normal. This happens with everyone before the examination. All you have to do is to make sure that you focus on each of the questions, and with the best mindset you approach all the questions. So this will be your strategy for attempting the entire paper, and few things you have to take care of during the examination or before the examination. Please do not talk with any strangers, do not make friends at the examination center, do not talk with the invigilator unnecessary. You have to be in your own space. All you have to focus on your breath, focus on chanting the name of Lord who have given us everything in this world. Why we are getting fear from an examination? That is just a part of your life. There will be many more examinations. You will be doing wonderful things in your life, and we all are here to celebrate you. We all are here to support you in all the things that you will be doing in the future. So this is not the end, this is not everything, this is just an examination. This was my last video before your IIT 2025 examination, and all I want is your smiling faces. Bhaiya, we have given our best in the IIT examination, and we have taken the maximum number of score that could be possible for me from the preparation I did. This is what all I want to hear, and we will meet you. If you are in Delhi NCR region, your center is in Ghaziabad, Greater Noida or Delhi. So we will select few of the centers, and Sayastra team, I will personally come, Vivek Bhaiya will personally come. All the mentors will be coming to meet you. The form link for the meetup is in the description. Fill out that form and see you at the examination center. Wish you all the very best. We are proud of you. Jai Hind.